Earthquakes are periods of intense shaking caused by plate tectonics. Convection currents in the mantle drive the plate's movement through extreme pressure. When that pressure is released, it can lead to disasters such as earthquakes. This earthquake occurred on a transform plate boundary, where two plates slide alongside each other, building up stress or pressure known as elastic strain. When that pressure is released, the effects can be astronomical. Transform faults are normally found in ocean-ocean or continental-continental plate boundaries. The infamous San Andreas fault is another well-known transform fault. The actual location of the rupture is known as the focus. This area is normally underground, while the epicenter is the location on the Earth's surface directly above the focus. The epicenter experiences the worst surface level effects of the earthquake. Earthquakes are measured on the moment magnitude scale. This scale is based on powers of 10. In other words, a magnitude 3 earthquake is 10 times more powerful than a magnitude 2 earthquake. A magnitude 4 is 10 times more powerful than magnitude 3, and so on. The 1976 Guatemalan earthquake is measured as 7.6 moment magnitude. This is a major earthquake which causes serious damage. It occurred on February 4th at 3:01 am. The epicenter was located 160 kilometers northeast of Guatemala City, and the focus was 5 kilometers below the surface. The earthquake was felt in an area of nearly 95,000 square kilometers. There was also aftershocks reaching highs of 5.8 on the moment magnitude. The earthquake left 23,000 people dead and a further 80,000 people injured. 260,000 homes were destroyed, leaving 1.2 million people homeless. 40% of hospital infrastructure was damaged beyond use. This has been one of the most devastating natural disasters to hit Central America to date, with the effects further damaged through the country's lack of resources to deal with it. Economic damage were equated to be equal to 18% of the country's total GDP. To help mitigate further disasters, Guatemala worked with the US and World Bank to expand their monitoring capacities by 57% over the first decade of the 21st century. The government also renovated dozens of schools, hospitals, and other public buildings to meet higher standards and reduce their vulnerability to earthquakes. Lastly, federal and municipal governments developed disaster relief plans and land use maps in an effort to develop a broader, all-hazards approach to disaster relief and mitigation. Since 1976, there have been 3 more earthquakes with magnitude 7.4 and above in Guatemala, with over a dozen magnitude 5 and 6 earthquakes affecting the region. Furthermore, the region has suffered from a diverse array of other natural hazards too, demonstrating the need for further preparedness and mitigation efforts.